We all like to save time and money when it comes to our beauty regimes, and today Robyn and I want to share a product that we've used for a long time that we love, and it does both. It is called the 2-Minute Miracle Gel, and it is like having a facial in a jar. It saves us so much time because we don't have to go and make appointments for facials all the time to get rid of all that dead skin cells and the top layer of the skin. This product is so amazing. You put it on, you allow it to kind of liquefy. It goes on as a gel and let it liquefy, and then you exfoliate, and it takes off layers of dead skin, and it leaves your skin smooth. It exfoliates, it cleanses as well. It
Plumps up.
It plumps up, it moisturizes. What are we missing? What else does it do?
Well, I think it is a great makeup primer.
Oh, yeah.
Whenever I use the gel, I always feel like my makeup just goes on and stays on beautifully. So again, it's one of those things that you could use it every day, or you could use it on occasion just to kind of give yourself that little facial. It takes about 2 minutes, and so it's very time efficient and certainly much more cost effective than going and getting a full-blown facial. We're also super excited because Robyn and I have had the opportunity to use, you can see my jar is almost empty, the 2-Minute Miracle Moisturizer. This is another thing that I love about their product. It's always very light, and when you first put it on, it's almost like, is that enough? Is that enough? Because it's so light, there's not a greasy residue or whatever, but if you have mature skin, you want to make sure you're well hydrated. I am loving this under my makeup. I'm also using it at night as my nighttime moisturizer.
It really does go on so light, but you can feel after you've put it on, it's not sticky or wet, but you can literally feel the moisture in your skin, that your skin doesn't have that dry or flaky feel to it. And when you use the two together, it is amazing.
The other thing I love about these products is you are getting department store quality at drugstore pricing, so it's highly affordable.
If you're interested in learning more or trying the product, click the link provided. Also, we're providing a link if you want to see Danna without her makeup. She demos the product. It's pretty funny. She's got a towel on her head. You don't want to miss it.